Canceling your YouTube TV membership or free trial on your iPhone or Android is really easy to do. First thing you want to do is you simply open up the app like I've done so here. And once you've actually opened up the app, there's no actually direct way to cancel it from here. So we just want to go over to our web browser and type in tv.youtube.com. Now, I'm going to type this in Google right here. And once you've pasted this and you're actually on the browser, like so, you simply want to log in. And if it brings up this pop-up ad, all you want to do is you click on this blue banner at the top, or you just want to log in. And then when you log in, you just want to log into your account like so. You can actually see it will bring you to this panel like so. It'll show you your membership page. And all you want to do is you click on manage plan, whatever plan you're on. And you can either click on pause just to pause the plan, or you can scroll down and actually simply click on the cancel option, which is what we want to do unless you want to pause it. And then from here, it gives you a reason why you canceled it. And as you can see, you click on yes, cancel. It'll show you the day that it will renew. And we can see we've just canceled our plan.